Hi children, our next topic is percentage of loss and profit. Okay, listen carefully children. Next is percentage of profit and loss. We already know that SP is greater than CP, then there is profit. SP is greater than SP means selling price. Selling price is more than cost price, then there is profit. And selling price is less than cost price, then there is loss. We already studied that. Next, we are going to discuss about profit percentage. Profit percentage. How do we find it? Profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. This equation we can use here. Profit percentage equals profit by CP into 100. Then loss percentage equals loss by CP into 100. This is very important. You have to study these equations. Okay. Example 1. A toy bought for rupees 500 was sold for rupees 460. Find the gain or loss percentage. Here, the CP of a toy, CP, cost price of toy, equals rupees 500. SP, selling price equals rupees 460. Here CP is greater than SP. What will happen? Loss. Okay? Yes. Then loss equals CP minus SP, which is equals 500 rupees 500 minus 460. Clear? Which is equals 40. Rupees 40 is loss. Then how do we find loss percentage? Loss percentage equals loss by CP into 100. Loss equals 40 by CP of the toy equals 500 into 100. We can cut this 100 and 500. How much time? 5. 100 5 times in 500. Then again we can cut this both side by 5. In 40, 8 5s are 40. In 5, 1 5. 8. 8 percentage is loss. Okay. Example 2. An article bought for rupees 2000 was sold for rupees 2500. Find the gain and gain percent. Here CP equals rupees 2000 and SP equals rupees 2500. Here SP is greater than CP. Then there is profit. Okay. Then profit equals SP minus CP. 2500 minus 2000 equals, which is equals 500 rupees. Then profit percentage equals how much is the profit? 500 rupees. 500 by CP. CP equals 2000. 2000 into 100. We can cut this 100 and this 0. Then in 50 how much 2's? 25. So profit percentage equals 25. 25% is the profit. Okay. Example 3. Afro sold a painting for rupees 1200, making a profit of 25%. Find her CP. Here SP equals 1200 and profit percentage is given, that is 25%. Okay, we have to find CP. We don't know the CP. Okay. Here, if the profit percentage is 25%, we can write if CP is 100, then SP is 125. How? Because the profit percentage is 25%. So, we can write if CP is 100, SP is 125. Clear? Then we can use here the unitary method. Okay. If SP is rupees 1, what will be the CP? 100 by 125 into 1. Clear? If the SP is 1200, CP is 100 by 125 into 1200. Clear? We can cut here. We can cut here by 25. 5 25s are there in 125. In 100, 425. Clear? We can cut these two by 5. In 12, how much time? 2 5s are 10. 2 is carry over here. This 0 become 20. In 20, 4 times. Then in 0, 0 time. Clear? 240. 24 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 1 carry over. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. 1 0 also here. So, CP equals 960 rupees. Clear? Next is bills. Have you seen bills? Yes. When we buy things from supermarket, we get a slip of paper with the details about the number of items and each type purchased, the cost per unit and the total cost, etc. That is called a bill. Okay. This is an example for a bill. When we prepare a bill, we should write the shop name and place. Perindalmanna, Puttanangadi, like place. And a bill number. Where is the shop? That place you have to mention here. Bill number, date, etc. Then item. What are the things we purchased? Here, notebook, marker pen and geometry box and craft paper. Quantity. How much notebooks? 5 notebooks, marker pen 3, geometry box 1, craft paper 4 packs. Rate for one notebook 30 rupees and one marker pen 25 rupees and one geometry box 120 rupees and one packet of craft paper rupees 45. Clear? Then we should write here rupees. Rupees, or in bracket we can give in rupees. Anyway we can write, no problem. Then notebook. One notebook's cost 30 rupees and 5 notebooks cost 5 3s are 15, 150 rupees. 150 rupees. We can write here rupees or we can give here. Anyway we can write, no problem. Then marker pen. For one marker pen 25 rupees, 3 rupees 75. Then one geometry box 120 rupees and 4 packets of craft paper. For 1 packet the cost is rupees 45. For 4 packets 45 into 4. 45 into 4 equals 5 4s are 20, 2 carry over. 4 4s are 16 plus 2 18, 180 rupees. Then what is the total? 5, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 5 22, 2 right here, 2 carry over, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. So total cost is rupees 525. Clear?